Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. I'm Marie Erickson, and I'm excited to show you how to make the red tassel earrings. These use our red tassel, gives it lots of movement. You can make these in various colors as well. I've used the red tassel, but we have a line with lots of colors. So let's get started. To make the red tassel earrings, we will be using the 30mm embroidery thread tassel in the red color. We'll be using the pewter faceted rondelle bead by Nunn Design. You can see the facets on the side there. We'll be using a 3 and a 4mm beaded Heishi spacer bead by TierraCast and a pair of our 21 gauge silver plated base metal eye pins in the 2-inch size, and then the 9mm sterling silver French ear wires with a front loop. I'm going to need 3 tools for this: a round nose plier, a chain nose plier, and a cutter. Okay, so on these earrings I'm going to work from the top down. I'm going to take my ear wire and open the loop to the side and slip in my eye pin with the loop here. I'm going to close that up. And then I can start with my beads, start with a 3mm spacer, and then the 4mm spacer. These are some of my favorite little beads. I always have to have them on my beading table. Come in handy. Put on our rondelle faceted, put on our 4mm and our 3mm spacer. Now I'm going to attach this top piece to our tassel, which has a loop, but I need to make my loop pretty large so that it'll dangle correctly. So I'm going to use my chain nose and bend the wire down, just making a simple loop, and then give myself a fair amount of wire, let's say about this much. Sometimes I keep this to match the length for my second pair. I'm going to take my round nose and I'm going to start way out here. So I know my loop is going to be about this big. Make it so a nice big loop. I'm going to take my chain nose, open it up, because the loop on the tassel is closed. I'm going to attach this like this, and then close this back up. And then it's got movement. That's perfect. So I hope you have fun with these. I think they're a great summer earring. You can find all of this and more at fusionbeads.com.